How to permanently deactivate Threads account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can permanently deactivate Threads account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to permanently deactivate a Threads account after opening a Threads application and after logging into your account, you just need to follow this process. So in order to do that, at the home page, you can see home, search, plus activity and your profile at the bottom. You just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right. After heading over to the profile at the bottom right, make sure you have updated your app as well, because the updated version of app allows you to deactivate your account directly from the Threads app. After that, you just need to head over to the bar. You can see two line at the upper right corner. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can see your account here. Just tap on it, account, and here you'll be able to see deactivate or delete profile. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can see deactivate profile or delete your profile. Since we are deactivating our profile, just tap on deactivate profile and confirm it. After that, your profile will be deactivated. And after that, you'll be logged out of your account and your account should be deactivated after that. And if you don't re-log in before 30 days, your account will be permanently deactivated after that. So therefore, just follow that process in order to deactivate your account as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.